I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey, Missy.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and welcome to Vlogmas day 21. Can you guys believe it? I can't believe that we are this close to the end of Vlogmas. Where did this month go? Where did this year go? Where did Vlogmas go? All right, it is Monday morning and it's the Monday morning before Christmas. So I am feeling little to no motivation to get anything done. Have a little zip patch on right here, so ignore that if you can spot it. Just got a little whitehead there and then it cleared up and now it's like popping back up again. So I just wanna nip it in the bud. Me and this whitehead are in a little fight, I guess. Today's a very interesting Monday because I have a 9 a.m. call, which is in about 15 minutes. Never have calls that early. I don't like having calls that early. But that's why I wanted to sort of like get up, get my drink nice and early and talk to you guys to get my brain working a little bit before I hop on a phone call with a client. It should be a really good, but it should be a pretty light-ish day. Yeah, I mean, it is a fairly light day all in all, as I expect most of this week to be. I feel like people are going to be starting to enter vacation mode as we approach Christmas. So hopefully that's sort of what starts to happen. We'll see, but you know, it is weird though. Like I would have flown home yesterday. So I would have been like at home in New Jersey right now on my parents' couch, just straight chillin'. I mean, I would still be working obviously, but I'd be taking this call at noon and not 9 a.m. It's definitely really sad. And I just try not to think about it. I try not to even let it be like a part of the equation. It is what it is, right? It's 1 year. 1 year. A year from right now, I will be sitting on my parents' couch. So I can live with that. That'll be okay. It is quite strange though. Hi, Molly Cat. I know, I'm very glad that I'm here with you right now. You'd be with Coco right now, which I'm sure you would love to. Oh, Molly Cat, I gotta figure out getting you a Christmas present. I tried to order her like Christmas themed cat toys on Amazon and there were like basically none. Anyway, I tried to buy you some Christmas cat toys and there just weren't many. Like there were some that were made for cats or dogs, which I was like, oh, I don't know, it's a little risky. Clearly doesn't have catnip in it and she loves her catnip toys. Molly. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find some Christmas themed toys, but either way, I'm definitely buying her some new toys for her to have on Christmas. Okay, anyway, yeah, I have about 10 minutes until my call now, so I'm going to just hop on and review a couple things for it, and then we'll see where the rest of this day takes us. Oh, cat, come here. Come here over to the sun. Oh, I keep blocking it. No, you're tumbling in the wrong place. Come here. Yeah, there's my girl. Hi. Yeah, why don't you go in the sun? There you go. Yeah, good girl. I love you. Well, it is 11:45 now and I don't feel like I've been that productive, although I believe been working this whole time. I definitely have. Like I've not done anything that wasn't work related, but it somehow feels like I've made it through barely any of my to-do lists. So it's that like week leading up to Christmas energy, I think. Really quickly, I'm going to throw in a liquid IV just into my cup here. By the way, I've gotten some questions like where do I buy my liquid IV and stuff like that. You can just get it online and I have a code that I will put in the description for you guys. My favorite is the strawberry. It is so good. Like I can't even tell you guys. Yeah, that tastes so good. Just in case you're wondering, the other flavor that I really like is passion fruit. It's also very good and not as good as the strawberry. Strawberry is by far the best, but those two are definitely the two that I like to keep on hand. And then they have a couple other flavors too. The only one I can think of right now is the lime, but I know that there are more. Maybe a grapefruit or no, I don't know. Anyway, I'm just not crazy about lime flavored things, so it's just not for me, but this flavor is also really yummy if you're looking for a different one. So I think I'm gonna eat in about an hour, so I'm just gonna like power through some of this work here and get it taken care of. Lunch is made. I heated up some more of this sort of squash soup that I had from Panera, then grilled up some tofu. This is literally all I could get out of my Sriracha Ranch bottle. It's officially dead. So I also put some of this sweet chili sauce from Trader Joe's in there to dip my tofu into. So there you go, lunch is served. All right, you guys, I am officially done with work for the night. That was a bit of a long day. It's 7:30 now. Did not even get everything done that was on my to-do list, but that's okay. I made like enough progress and got everything done that was like really needed to be done, so that's fine. Let me sit down. So, sort of what I was thinking for tonight, this is sort of like a classic thing that I do pretty much every Vlogmas. It's a little Christmas night routine. I usually do this when I'm back home because me and my family do lots of like fun Christmassy things together, Christmas movies and stuff like that. But obviously that is not happening this year, so I guess I will do it tonight. And I don't know, I feel like since I'm just doing it here in LA, you know, it's pretty much the same night routine that you guys see every night, but we'll make it sort of fun and festive. Why not? First up on my list is actually to work out. Not a typical part of my Christmas night routine, but I had a quantum energy square sort of late in the day. That way I could like sustain my energy since I knew it would be a little bit of a later night and then I wanted to get a workout in, so gotta take advantage of that energy. So I'm going to work out and then I want to shower and wash my hair because it needs it, as you can see. And after that, we'll get on with, you know, some more fun stuff. Yeah, I can't believe it's already almost 7:45 actually, so we need to get a move on with this. Okay, we're in our workout clothes. So we're gonna work out, but this is a Christmas night routine and we have to find ways to make this Christmassy because like what am I really gonna do tonight that's that Christmassy? Well, let's be honest, not that many things. With that being said, let's work out to some Christmas music. I'm thinking like Ariana's Christmas album because it's sort of like poppy, so it won't be too weird to work out to, hopefully, I don't know. Play Spotify. Here's Spotify. Right at the drop. Make it as loud as you can. Alright, this will be fun to work out to, I think. Oh man, this is hard. Okay. Oh my god, I'm in pain. My true love, my true love. My jacket don't get no love, no hats or no love, not even a chance for rain. My baby's in town, that will come when it is. That we're laughing in the cab, chilling by the fireside. Santa, tell me if you really care. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Just two kitty cats together, right? All away if you won't be here next year. Woo! Alright, that was good, right, Molly Cat? What did we learn from that little workout jam sesh? Two things. I'm still very out of shape. And two, singing and working out. It's a struggle, but it has to be done when Christmas music is playing though. I'm gonna go hop in the shower and continue jamming to Ariana. Actually, no, you know what I'm gonna listen to? It's Taylor Swift's newest album. Trying to stay proactive, hip, young with the kids, and so we're listening to it. Love to see me from your point of view. Okay, just finished my shower. I took a really nice long, like half-hour long, 40-minute long shower. I did a mask in there. I I've been getting all of these tiny little zits on my forehead, which is strange because my forehead really does not break out very often. So I just wanted to sort of treat myself to a mask. Obviously I did a hair mask, but I do that every time I wash my hair. And I sort of thought maybe I'll double up on the mask for our Christmas night routine. I don't know, I'm trying to see if I have like a peppermint mask or something. I'm just trying to think of ways that this can be Christmassy. Oh, I forgot that this one does smell pepperminty, and it's my favorite mask, so there you go. This is the Cold Plunge Pore Mask from Ole Henriksen. I need to get myself another flat brush because I somehow lost mine. No clue where it could have gone, but I've been using this, which just doesn't work as well, but that's okay. I do like putting my masks on with a brush because it feels sort of luxurious. See how it like doesn't, I feel like it doesn't put it on like as thick as it should. Maybe I shouldn't use a brush. This sit here too is just acting up. And you know what we're gonna do while I have this mask on is we're gonna make some spiked hot cocoa. Okay. Oh my God, I forgot I looked this way. My camera can't even recognize that I'm a face. Hello, it's me, a face. I mean, it really does not know that I'm a face. I'm not even kidding. Yeah, hi, I'm a face. Okay, heated up some water in a very Molly Christmas mug. Maybe these will make a comeback next year. Sorry that I didn't get my ish together enough to get them this year. The camera really cannot stay focused on me because it cannot tell that I'm a face. So let's just make the hot chocolate. By the way, you guys, when I was cleaning that brush that I tried to put the mask on with, I totally sliced my thumb open with my own nail. Like, aggressive. Gotta get some delicious Baileys in there. Da da da, yum. All right, guys. Cheers, we did it, we're here. It is past 9 p.m. already. This night is just going way too fast. There's too much I wanna do and not enough time. By the way, you guys, I have to show you my peonies. They're looking so pretty. Look at these, they're blooming so nice and big. How gorgeous, I'm obsessed, thank you, Connor. So I obviously need to watch something Christmassy while I drink my spiked hot chocolate, but it's a little late to start a movie, so I'm thinking some Christmas episodes of The Office. Might as well take advantage while we can before The Office leaves Netflix. I'm seriously so upset about that. Unacceptable. Let's see, what should we watch? Classy Christmas, that's a funny one. A Benihana Christmas, big contender, big contender. Moroccan Christmas, a good one. I think I'm gonna go for a Benihana Christmas. Classic episode, very hilarious, and it's an early season, sort of like awkward, horrible humor, which I love, so here we go. Let's dive in. Okay, I have a question for all you cat owners out there. If you're a cat owner, then keep watching. Just kidding, everyone should keep watching. I was just doing that weird TikTok thing that people do. Again, trying to stay trendy, hip. Anyway, I just took my hair out of the towel because I was just about to go into the bathroom and like put some product in it and sort of get ready to make dinner. But Molly Cat climbed on and she has this sixth sense. Like she knows exactly when I'm about to get up to go do something, and that's when she comes and sits on me. And again, I was like maybe 60 seconds from getting up off the couch, and here she is. She just climbs right on. She just knows every time when I'm about to get up. It's so strange. So my question is, anyone else's cat have that same sixth sense, or even if they have a different sixth sense? That's fun. Let me know down below. She's so cute, you guys. I feel bad, but I gotta get a move on with this night. Okay, look at how fresh we are. Hello. So I'm trying something sort of new tonight because that's what you do when you're making dinner at 9:45 p.m. Obviously, try something new. No, but I'm just trying like a little sort of kind of play. Now, I don't really want to call this, but I was gonna say a play on a gochujang, which is this Korean dish that I've been wanting to try, but honestly, this is not even like that really at all. It's just sort of like an Asian dish. That was sort of the inspiration. Okay, we got everything in here. I think I'm gonna hit it with a bit of sesame oil now. I love having the Christmas tree in the background. It's so pretty. Anyway, that's sort of cooked down, so I wanna start on the sauce here. Obviously, oh, come on. I'm gonna be using some soy sauce. I'm gonna use some coconut aminos as well. Some stir fry sauce as well. Noodles, veggies. Some shrimp would be good in this, but I think gochujang doesn't usually have that, but I don't know. Why am I even comparing this? This is not even the same thing at all. But I do really want to try to make that sometime. You know what would have been really good in this that I should have added in was some kimchi. But that's okay. Oh my god, you guys. Literally just looking in the camera, this fucking thing just scared me again. It looks so much like a person standing there. Oh my god. Very stressful. Okay. Oh yes, it's going to be very delicious, I know it. Christmas night routine, we better light a Christmas candle. Yeah. I have to say, you guys, my face feels like smooth as a baby's butt. So in the shower I did an exfoliating mask, so my skin was feeling really nice, and then that pore mask just like sucked everything up. Oh, it feels so nice. Nightly taste test, here we go. It's super yummy. It just tastes like my, you know, normal noodle dishes, but who cares, right? Guys, she did it again. I was just about to get up to head into bed, and here she is on me. So silly, what is with that? Guys, I wanted to come on quickly so I could show you my hair, because I feel like it's been a while since I've let my hair fully dry before braiding it, and definitely since I've shown you guys that. So I just wanted to show you, like, these are sort of what just naturally my waves do in my hair. I mean, they're sort of, obviously, like, it's pretty poofy. I think that this shows a little bit more that my hair is pretty thick. Like, I feel like people don't believe me when I say I have thick hair, but it actually is very thick, and as you can see, quite a bit of natural volume. Okay, you guys, we're all braided up now, ready to go, and this is pretty much the end of the vlog here now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was maybe not the most exciting, but I tried to make sort of a fun holiday-ish night routine. Might be sort of slightly a fail, but what are you gonna do, right? Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?